Hello guys, welcome to my second video. Today I'll be playing some Shadow Ninja. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Shadow Warrior, there we go. But yeah, we're going to be playing some of that for now. But I hope you enjoy my last video. I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you like and smash that subscribe button. And let's get into the video. So right now I'm thinking of going, alright, let's do some survival, let's go. Because you already know survival's the way to go. So what I'm going to do is start off with a kick, he misses, back kick like that, and then punch with that lower kick. Oh, okay, I see. So I'm thinking of in my new video, channel, and what should I do, should I get some help with the commentary? So I'm going to try and get a perfect on the... Wait, I can't get a perfect. He already dealt some damage. Or did he? Yeah, he did. But, thinking maybe I could, do some videos. I'm going to start doing a lot more of these because Xbox is really hard to do. There'll be on days where I can have the opportunity to do that. And if I can, I'll do that for you guys. But it's just really hard. It takes forever to upload. And yeah. Oh. But I hope you enjoyed this video so far. I'm just taking a guy in the second round. Hit. Punch. There we go. Let's get that going. So if my mic's bad or you hear a fan in the background, it's annoying. I know, I'm sorry. I'll get that fixed later on. It's just really hot where I am. Should I get a perfect on this? Wouldn't let me do a double. Nope, no perfect for me. Because I am trash. Okay, so you do a punch there, and yep, already get hit. See, it keeps doing a one punch, kick on me, lower kick. I do two and it doesn't do it. See, it's doing high kicks when I did low kicks. Okay, I see, you jump. I might die actually, no, I've got it. There we go. Watch out! Okay, round 4. Let's try and get a perfect, go on. Alright, kick there, punch, okay, kick, punch, come on, don't block, very bad for your soul, indeed, very bad. Alright, nice, let's get that perfect guys. But yeah, I'll only be doing 10-minute videos because I'm not that good with uploading. I don't want to upload for the whole day, when I could do 2 videos in one day on some days. Probably not, but I'll try. I'm gonna be doing 2 vids a week, trying, if I get chance. But if I can't, I'm really sorry, as I am again. Probably going to get destroyed by this one. Let's take this boy on like it's rock and roll rampage mode. Oh, okay. Let's go for that kick, boy. No, you're not getting past me. Damn it. As soon as I say it, I spoke too soon. Damn it, I spoke too soon. Alright. I'm gonna do one more fight, I think. Because these fights... You know what, let's do a Okay, something's happened. I do not know. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Monkey? No. I can't read. Alright. Right. Oh, damn it. That doesn't look like no good. Oh, shoot. Okay, alright. Oh, come. Hit. Come on. I thought you were good. I thought you were the best warrior. Sorry, you're trash. Come on, you're trash. Come on, I'm in brutal mode, mate. You cannot taste this. Oh, okay. I don't. Critical hit. Come on, jump. and the kick to find us up. Oh, that was neat. I love brutal mode. Alright, I see you. Come at me. Oh, you see, you doing that. Okay. Rage mode. Alright, okay. Come at me like it's nothing. I'm King Kong. I'ma be your boy that kicks your... Why did it do an upper kick? Oh, oh no, critical. Let's go, boy. Oh yeah, I've got this. I probably haven't actually. Critical. She's in hard. Oh, sorry, friendly. Oh, okay. Alright, I see you. But you don't see me, because I'm your boy that goes King Kong kill. Oh, damn. No. I gotta win this, boys. Or girls. Keeping it live. Yeah, let's go. I've sealed this. I got it. Let's go. Great. Just won. Alright, we get that money, roll it in. Alright. Ooh, damn, that looks beast. I'm gonna learn this. I'm gonna learn that helmet breaker. Damn, I can break helmets. You better watch out. I'm gonna hurt you. Should I get these? Nah. I'm gonna stick with my thing, Let's try the... Oh, looks like some mama food. Yeah, I'm getting this on. Okay. I'm gonna do my last fight for you guys, and then I'm gonna wrap this up. Because I'm pretty tired. I'm doing this pretty late. I know, I'm sorry. Normal. Let's go. Let's take on the bodyguard. If we can do that, that'll be a good ending. Alright. Get friendly. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna go for that bottom kick again. Body punch. Kick. I'm gonna kick again. Punch. I'm a beast. Oh, helmet crusher. Damn it. Oh, helmet break. Oh, I'm getting beasted right now. Oh, I see. A little trading. Don't mind that. It keeps doing a bloody upper kick when I do a lower kick, see? I'm gonna go for these low kicks, and then it goes high kick. Oh, no wonder. See? Come on, bro. It's in brutal mode. Nah, mate. I should be in brutal mode. Oh, I thought it was her for a second. Oh. What? Oh, shoot. I want to be in aggressive mode. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. If I win this, I'll be so impressed with myself. I gotta win this. Yeah, straight up. If I win this, cheeky. I have to win. I have to win. Look how low. Your boy just beat him when I'm on hard. She's on aggressive. Let's go. Yeah, I'm going hyper mode. You ready? Hyper mode. Just like it's in my name. I'm hyper. Boom. Oh, damn. Alright, sorry I went quiet there. If you guys could comment down below what games I should be doing, but yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be doing much of the Fortnite right now until I get a better PC. And because the last time I did it, that was on Xbox, and damn, it's hard if you don't have an Elgato or something. Because it is hard. I did all that without it. It took me a day and a half, like seriously. I grinded on that. But anyway, I thought, like, alright, special first vid. I'll try my best. Ooh! And that might be just it. Damn. You might be seeing me play some UFC if I can get an Elgato. Because I love that game. I like combat games. Alright guys, that looks like I'm it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you smash that subscribe button, like, comment down below to help me out and my channel. And, yeah. Goodbye.